Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Signal Sync, a TradingView automated strategy from AlgoPoint's artwork series, priced at a one-time $299. Yes, $299, essentially $300. It promises optimized trading signals for crypto, stocks, and more. But is it worth your money? Let's break down the pros and cons to help you decide. Stick around and hit that like button if you find this helpful. First up, what makes Signal Sync stand out? It's got pre-optimized settings for a ton of assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tesla, and even gold, all the way down from the 15-minute to the 1 hour and even 30-minute time frame. So real quick, let me just go into the settings here. And these are all the presets that it's got, right? Now I'm not going to show you the code, obviously, but as you can see, there is all these different strategies that you can choose from different assets. So I think it's pretty useful if you're someone that doesn't know how to tweak these things on your own. So it's definitely something that I would say is a pro for this specific strategy slash indicator. Now, here is the thing though. There is an option that lets you trade manually. So if you don't want to use these presets, you just hit the manual, but there's really not much of a customization option. Really the only thing you can customize is this. So every time you change this, that's it. Like that's as good as it'll get in terms of changing up the strategy that I guess this indicator slash strategy uses. So yeah, they don't really add too much customization for the specific thing. So if you were to trade manually, that is the only way you would trade manually. Now you could also keep using the presets that it has. Let me see here, which one? Ethereum, right? So if you wanted to take these along with your technical analysis, you could do that. So for instance here, you could see price broke some structure up here, and we have an order block down here, right? And then once you see a signal right here that says go long, you could have entered there, here, stops under here, and you could have gone for this set of liquidity up here, right? And you would have made some money there. So obviously it's not just take the signals and find whatever you can match up with it. Be smart about it, combine it with your strategies, so on and so forth. But I'm gonna be completely honest, if you're planning on using this to pass prop from accounts or as a way to get reliable signals without doing any form of technical analysis or having some form of trading plan, this is not it. Okay, I would say just use this if you want to have a trading bot trade for you, then sure, but don't think you'll be able to take these signals on their own and think you're going to pass a prop firm, because it's not very likely at all. Now there is another win to this though. Once you pay the $300, that's it. You own it forever. There's no subscriptions, no hidden fees. Plus you get the full source code. So if you want to change something up in the source code, if you know a little bit of PyScript, you can do that, right? So it, like I said, it also works with manual trading and auto trading. So ask yourself, do you want a tool that adapts to your style, whether you're hands-on or automating your trades? I'll leave that up to you. And something too that you can also keep in mind is if you don't want to pay for the price outright, they're always running some kind of discount. Sometimes they'll have like a 70% discount, like once a week or once every 2 weeks or even once a month. They'll make it seem like they won't offer it again, but they will. So I recommend you signing up for their emails just so you don't miss out on those discounts. All right, and trust me, it pays off a lot. And I will be reviewing more stuff from them. I honestly think their indicators outside of like trading strategies are actually pretty good and more reliable, but more on that in another video. So there you have it, guys. That's Signal Sync's pros and cons. It is a powerful tool with optimized presets, lifetime access, and flexibility, but sadly not a lot of customization. What you see is what you get. So me personally, would I recommend you spend your hard-earned money on it? Well, it depends. Are you planning on using these for signals? Because if you are, in my personal opinion, I think you can do better somewhere else. But if you're planning on getting something that automates your trading for you and you don't want to have any sort of hands-on interaction with it, then sure, give it a shot. But even then, I still think there are better softwares out there. You can check my links in the description and you can actually buy the EAs that I'm currently using to manage my trading accounts. I'm using MetaTrader 4 as the platform for it, and right now I have been using Coinex as my main broker. So again, you can find all the links of everything that I use in the description below. So with that being said, guys, that's all I have for you. Take it easy, take care, and if you have any more questions on this particular strategy, you can look in the description down below. I have the link to their website, and if you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section and I will do my best to answer as soon as I can. So with that being said, guys, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.